Hi viewers, my name is Vijay Lakshmi. Welcome to Vijay's Grammar on YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you about articles a and the determiner. Before explaining you about the articles, let me explain you what is a letter. A letter is the smallest unit of any language. An alphabet is a collection of letters. The modern English alphabet consists of 26 letters. It first came from Latin language named alphabetum, then it was named by Greeks in two words, alpha and beta, letter which was called as alphabets. You can also say a set of letters in order, that is from A to Z. It is a basic set of speech sounds of a language. Coming to articles. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. They are two kinds of letters, vowels and consonants. Vowels are sounds which comes from our vocal cord, that is A, E, I, O, U. These five letters are vowels. It is indefinite and uncountable noun, but it is counted as one. Here, an is used before vowels or with sounds as vowels when H is silent. For example, that is from A letter an apple, E an elephant, I an ice cream, O an orange, U an umbrella. Next, an honest man. Even though here H is consonant, it sounds as vowel wo, where H is silent. Next, an MA, it sounds as aim, EMM as vowel, so we keep an before MA. Next, coming to consonants. All the remaining 21 letters are called consonants. It is indefinite and uncountable noun. It is counted as one. We use A before consonants or with sounds as consonants. U as you, O as verb. For example, a hat, a cat, a dog. Other example, U as you, a university, a uniform, a unicorn. O as verb, a 1 rupee note, a one-eyed man. A and an combined with the are called articles and also called as determiners. Coming to the article the and its uses. The is a definite and countable noun. We pronounce as the before the words of vowels. We pronounce as the before the words of consonants. The is used when we speak of a particular person or thing or already referred to or known to the speaker. For example, the book you gave me is very useful. I dislike the fellow. The is used before the names of particular persons like the president, the prime minister. The is used before the names of unique things, example the sun, the moon, the earth. The is used before the names of mountain ranges, example the Himalayas. The is used before the name of groups of islands, example the West Indies. The is used before the names of countries and Gulf, example the United States, the Philippines, the Persian Gulf. The is used before the names of rivers, seas and oceans, example the Ganges, the Jamuna, the Bay of Bengal, the Red Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. The is used before the names of important books, example the Ramayana, the Bible, etc. The is used before a singular noun meant to represent the whole class. Example, the lion is the king of animals. Here the class of animals, the lion is the king. The is used before the names of families, example the Simon family. The is used before the superlatives, example the highest, the biggest. The is used before the names of musical instruments, example the piano, the guitar. The is used with the cardinal numbers, example the first floor, the fourth line. The is used before the adjective and the noun is understood, example the rich should be kind to the poor. Coming to article the, where it is not used. The is not used before the names of exceptional nouns like names of person. Example, Mohan and Sohan are two brothers. The is not used before the names of countries. Example, India and Japan are two countries. The is not used before the names of cities. Example, Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana, Delhi is the capital of India. The is not used before names of subjects and languages. Example, maths, physics, English, Italian, etc. The is not used before the names of continents, example, Africa, Europe, South America, etc. The is not used before the names of meals and sports, example, what did you have for breakfast, what time is your lunch. He is jogging. Swimming is good exercise. The is not used before proper nouns like names of special days. Example, Dashera, Christmas. The is not used before the names of elements. Example, hydrogen, oxygen. The is not used before the names of cardinal numbers. Example, flat number 402, paragraph 9. The is not used before the names of places. Example, home, church, school, etc. Coming to article where no article is used. No article is used when a noun used in its widest sense. Example, man is mortal. What kind of flower is it? No article is used before names of materials. Example, gold is a precious metal. Cotton is used to make cloth. No article is used before proper nouns. Example, Mumbai is a big city. Ashoka was a great king. No article is used before abstract nouns used in a general sense. Example, falsehood is never lied, honesty is the best policy, virtue is its own reward. So, this is all about articles. Please subscribe to my channel and post your queries in the comment section below.